Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Lexus ES350 when your key fob battery is dead. It's a common concern, but thankfully, there's a simple emergency procedure. The first step is to ensure your key fob is physically touching the engine start-stop button on your dashboard. This allows the car to detect the key's internal chip, even without battery power. Once your key fob is in position, firmly press down on the brake pedal. While keeping the brake pedal engaged, press the engine start-stop button. The car's system is designed to read the key fob's transponder chip at close range, bypassing the need for a powered battery. Your Lexus ES350 should now start, allowing you to drive. If your Lexus ES350 doesn't start on the first attempt, don't worry. Double-check that the key fob is held firmly and directly against the start button. Also, confirm that your vehicle's main 12-volt battery isn't dead, as this method only bypasses the key fob battery. If the main battery is low, you might need a jump start to get going. After successfully starting your car, remember to replace your key fob battery as soon as possible. Most Lexus ES350 key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is readily available. Replacing it is a straightforward process, often involving opening the fob with a small flathead screwdriver. This will restore all remote functions, like locking and unlocking doors from a distance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.